lunch. Okay, we're doing a taste test today.
Bleh.
Where do you want to start on this Halloween one? I know we got drinks that are not Halloweeny. We drink our only Halloweeny. You want the blood?
Why not?
I got this clearance. It is Garnelli Intense Dark Chocolate Blood Orange. Okay. So it bits the red stuff. For intense dark chocolate, it's not overly bitter. So if you told me it was blood orange, I wouldn't know. It has a bit of a citrusy floral note to it, but it's not something that hits you in the face. It's like something that would pass you by.
Correct.
Not bad, not great.
Meh.
For dark chocolate, it's fantastic though. Okay, I'm gonna extend my leg because it's asleep.
So is mine.
And if you hear thump, 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 they're taking out part of the window. Don't ask. I don't know. Okay, so I'm guessing we're doing the Monster Mash jelly beans next.
Okay.
I'm grabbing this. What? I do not like jelly beans. This is Jelly Belly's Monster Mash jelly beans. Which, why anybody wants jelly beans is beyond me.
Depending on the jelly bean.
So our flavors that we have are caramel corn, green apple, which they have all year round, Jewel grape soda. Why Jewel? Jewel orange and wild blackberry. The only odd one is the caramel corn.
No. The soda ones are odd.
Okay, so it looks like we only have one of the jeweled grape.
Good, because I don't like grape.
Neither do I. Which one's just gonna eat it?
I don't know. Which one is this one?
That is probably the caramel corn.
Okay, ready?
That's horrible.
It is nasty. The after flavor, though, you can taste it.
I don't want to taste it at all. It's stuck in my teeth. So that's the blackberry.
It's too orange.
I don't want to do this at all. It
Alright.
just tastes like orange.
That one doesn't taste that bad. Alright, blackberry.
That is potent.
It's got a strong taste. Green.
We already know what green is. You're gonna make me eat jelly beans for fun.
That one's my favorite.
Just like medicine. Well, you like jelly beans, so you take the grape. It's right next to the thumb. Ah, fuck me.
Alright.
Oh, that is horrible.
It tastes like grape, but it doesn't taste very good.
When did grape have an ass cheek?
I want to know why the places don't carry shit in this size.
You know why? They kept saying it yesterday. European, 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 European.
I'm starting a cash binder.
Here, something I don't like, but you'll love.
Boo.
Okay, this is from Favorite Day. This is pumpkin spice white chocolate espresso beans.
That's what they are? I didn't know they were espresso beans. All I saw was the pumpkin spice.
Oh, it smells like coffee.
It smells really good.
You're taking these home. Okay, I'm going to try and get the smallest one I can get. Ah.
Oh my god, they're so good.
Ugh. It's just coffee.
It tastes delicious, Haley.
I can barely taste the white chocolate or pumpkin spice.
I'm in heaven.
My foot is really asleep. Okay. What can we get to get that coffee flavor out of my mouth?
Cinnamon donuts.
These?
Why not?
Okay, Hostess Bouncers. Cinnamon Donuts. I got this recently at the food bank, actually. And my peer specialist is like, you are going to have to try that. Here's yours.
It's moist.
Oh. It looks like a glazed donut. Oh, wow, that just hit me with flavor.
I like it.
Oh my god, that's like a freaking red hot of a tasty.
I like that though. That's really good.
Enjoy your red hot tasty cake.
Thank you.
I like it better than the coffee, but god damn. That is a wake you up. We just had two things that would wake you the fuck up.
I'm not complaining.
Oh yeah.
Sucks to be you.
Let's go with Dunkin' then. This might be coffee, it might not be. These are Dunkin' Goldfish Pumpkin Spice Grams. As my foot is twitching. It's so
When the
fast.
hell do they make those?
This year.
You know what I thought about too?
What?
Do you have lunch bags here?
Yes.
Can I steal 2 of them? So if I do that later, I can just put the card with it.
Yeah.
Okay.
That was very underwhelming.
I don't taste the pumpkin.
I do, but it's more of the pumpkin spice.
I don't like it.
And it is just
Gnarly?
boring.
Gnarly.
You know what this would be really good with? You get graham crackers and this, grind them all up, and put them as a crust.
Or you can grind them up and put them on ice cream.
Okay, what should we do next? How about a drink? Because we also have the driest motherfuckers coming up.
Okay.
Alright, so we're going to do the 2 different nitros. First up is the original. This is Pepsi Nitro.
I don't even know what it is.
Draft Cola. Apparently it is smaller bubbles, smoother taste. Ah!
As Haley shook it up. No bubbles, my asshole. As Haley gets it all over herself.
Smaller bubbles my ass. I'm currently dripping it into the cup and on my foot.
You know it's all over that bag, right?
Yeah. Where's some paper towels?
I don't have paper towels. I have another bag. Where's your paper towels? Where are your napkins?
There's paper towels in the kitchen. There are paper towels in the
Jesus Christ.
in that closet. The napkins are also in the kitchen too.
Fuck me, man.
I don't want to. We didn't even shake this thing.
Haley.
This
What the
thing
fuck?
exploded like a car on nitro.
I brought it all over. In case you do it again.
Oh, we got your thing.
I'm scared. It's all sticky.
Wipe it. Oh, whoa, that thing is... This is full. This is really full. I'm just covered in soda. That actually is just shaking it up more. Why do people think that works? Nitro. Just tastes like flat soda. How does it taste like flat soda?
Maybe someone shook it and put it back in the thing. You know how assholes are.
Oh, true. Okay, let's try the vanilla version. Oh. Are they all supposed to explode like this?
I don't know, Hal.
Okay, I got myself some good head.
Some good head, huh?
Shut up.
I was taking a picture so I could show my coworker that I used the sticker she gave me.
Okay, so here is your vanilla. God, nobody wants nitro if it explodes on them and tastes flat. Okay.
Okay.
Tastes like flat vanilla. It's not bad, it's not good, it's just...
Nah.
Okay. I'm just shoving that in here as I try and wipe my feet. But it is just drinkable. Which one do you want just in case, or do I drink them all?
Which one didn't you like?
They're both the same.
Alright, so give me whichever one you want. Or you can have them both, because I have these.
Okay, whatever. You want to try the cream next? Just to get it over with?
Okay. Brian had that, and Brian said all it does is taste like normal Pepsi.
Okay, this is Coca-Cola cream soda cola.
Question that. It's Pepsi, not Coca-Cola, Hale.
It smells menacing.
Brian said it tastes like Pepsi. The only difference is the aftertaste is you get the cream aftertaste. Because I told him I didn't want to try it.
You get the creaminess. It's mediocre. It's not what you would want for a cream soda.
Not at all.
Oddly enough, the nitros are better.
Oddly enough, their Diet Pepsi's better.
My foot is so asleep that I can't even feel my foot anymore because it's so asleep. That just is so weird. I can feel it, but I can't, you know? Can you stop that? Okay, so I'm just going to put this right over here. So do you want to have this one next, or do you want to go with these? This is all like pumpkin spice and then creepy. Let's go with... Okay, so first up we're going to do another favorite day. Apple caramel crunchy clusters.
Keep in mind she didn't like the pumpkin white chocolate, which I did not know were espresso beans when I told her I wanted to try it.
What the hell did they do to clusters? Their clusters look weird.
They do look weird. I'm going to dye ink out.
No, the person who decided to fuse all these into one cluster is.
Alright, first off, the pretzel tastes stale.
I'm questioning whether it's pretzel. When I do clusters, they don't have pretzel. They more of like have those lo mein noodles.
You do get the caramel taste. And I do taste the apple. But not as much as I would like to.
That caramel is not that great. That caramel sticks to your teeth kind of caramel. Next up, we're going to see what these Jet Puff marshmallows are like. These are pumpkin spice. And they are staining the bag. Here's your pumpkin. They smell really good. Oh wow, that's a lot of flavor.
I like it though. But it's not something that I would want all the time.
Well, I'm going to try and make a Rice Krispie treat with those.
Okay.
Because I opened those up. But at the same time, I have a bag left over for us to have with our hot cocoa.
Okay.
Alright.
Sorry, my...
So, next ones. You get to pick.
Alright, can we move the chocolate so I can stretch this leg? Let's do moon pie.
Oh, I hate the moon pies. We have moon pies.
Alright, so I saw moon pies when we went out. No, when I went out without her. And it said pumpkin spice.
And if you recall, when we had these before, not the pumpkin spice ones, but just the other ones,
We didn't like them.
because they were the driest thing.
But I'm having high hopes for this one.
They were the driest, most crumbly thing ever.
We'll just split one. Because we didn't like
We tried that last time and got everywhere.
Alright.
That's why I brought out two, because I do not want to deal with all those pumpkin spice crumbs on the floor.
Alright, you can definitely smell it.
It looks softer than the last time.
I like this one better than the one we had before.
All I'm tasting is the color beige. Like, if you tell me, what is this flavor? All I can tell you is beige. I can't tell you what the flavor is, it just tastes beige.
I like these better than the other ones, but I wouldn't eat that all the time.
Well, they're not as dry. They're flaky. They're slightly moist.
You said moist.
You said it like 6 times already.
Yeah.
Is it pumpkin spice? I don't think so. Does it have flavor? I don't think so. Is it bad?
It's better than the
somewhat.
other ones that we had. People at your job are going to be very happy.
Always.
Next.
You pick.
I already picked it.
I'm dealing with pumpkin spice out the ass. Like, none of this is stuff I want to eat.
Alright, so why don't we finish the 2 top ones before we get in the hostess?
Okay. We don't know if we've had these before. We probably did. But y'all can laugh at my pain anyways. Pumpkin spice Oreos.
I thought you said you weren't buying them.
I have them already.
Oh. Well,
I bought them just in case.
Jesus, Haley.
Oh, God, that's very fragrant. I'm not going to enjoy this.
Very fragrant.
I could put this in a diffuser and it would scent up the entire room.
Cool, man.
Hmm?
I followed.
You don't have to worry. You got the Oreo diffuser. It tastes like I'm eating potpourri. You want your potpourri? We'll wrap it up. We're just putting it over onto your side.
Uh-huh.
Because currently I have a whole bunch of stuff. We will wrap it up. You don't have to worry. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Next up is the thing that we've never liked. I don't know why.
All right, so
it's the imposter.
All right, so Pop-Tarts, the original Pop-Tarts, I absolutely love their pumpkin spice Pop-Tarts. Haley got them a bunch of times last year, and they were fucking amazing. Haley just doesn't like them. We went shopping.
Toastum is never good.
I saw these at the dollar store. I was like, hey, we had the ones from Pop-Tarts. Let's try these ones. We've had the worst luck with this brand, but, you know, Haley likes to do things for y'all's entertainment.
Even though there's like all like two of you.
And, you know, I'm just here for the ride half the time.
That, or she just likes to watch me suffer. It's just funny shit to look back on. Because I record this shit so we can laugh about it later.
Of course.
I'm not looking forward to this.
Look at the guy on the bag. It says, always hungry, grab 'em to go.
Well, I do like the design on this. It is...
Oh, that's different than what Pop-Tarts does.
Yeah, it's white with orange and black.
Pop-Tarts usually does the white and the orange.
Okay.
So see how they're trying to differentiate from the two?
Why did I give you the smaller one? This tastes like straight up flour.
Yeah, I really can't taste the pumpkin.
You can see the pumpkin. It looks fantastic. But it just tastes like straight up flour. Wait.
Are you going to try to do what I do with the fucking Oreo?
It just tastes like gum. How does the pumpkin taste like gum?
I don't know. I had high hopes for you, Toastums. You fucked up. Sorry.
And you lived up to your
Reputation.
God, why was I popping on that word? As we hit the 24 mark, we're going into fucking Hostess. No, we're not fucking Hostess. We are going into them.
What the hell makes these Halloweeny?
Well, how often have you seen a chocolate Twinkie?
Alright.
I have no idea.
Oh, this is caramel, that's why.
Okay, so the first up is...
You're really fucking me over with this one now.
Pumpkin...
With caramel? Come on.
Pumpkin spice Twinkies.
I'm screwing her by telling her she's got to try all this pumpkin shit. She's fucking me because, you know...
I'm shoving the caramel in her ass. Going,
fuck my life.
I'm going with you.
Fuck my life.
Which, the funny thing is, I don't like caramel either. It has to be done right. So it looks like a normal Twinkie. deep frying these will give you a heart attack. But most Americans will love it.
I love deep fried Oreos and deep fried Twinkies.
When I pulled that apart, I could see flecks of something in this where it looked like there were spices.
It's cinnamon spice. It's pumpkin cinnamon spice. It's pumpkin spice, but you can taste the cinnamon.
The cinnamon's more prevalent than pumpkin.
I like those though.
Nah.
They're not bad.
They're a Twinkie. It's just like something you eat when you're depressed.
I would take them to work.
Oh, now I'm getting like, I have no idea what that flavor is.
That is something I would throw in my bag and take to work with me.
Yeah, go ahead.
Wow, Haley really wants to get rid of some of this shit.
I don't give a shit. Let's put to sleep again. Okay, so we're going to compare this to the Twinkies of, why, I have no idea what, it's chocolate cake Twinkies. These are spooky Twinkies. The spookiest thing is how much they cost.
Really? What the freak sale?
What?
Did they really cost?
Inflation costs a shit ton. Come on. The cost of shit always is spooky.
No, touche.
So, oh, look at the cute little wrapping.
Oh, and you insulted me when I was liking shit.
Oh, come on. You like cute wrappings. It's little witches.
Makes me not want to open it.
Why?
Because it's so pretty.
I'll do it. I killed a witch. I think I decapitated her.
Jesus Christ. Really, hell.
Oh god, that is so freaking moist that it's a
She said moist again.
It's going to be a mop. What the hell's wrong with this thing? It's in the shape of a doorstop. One side's huge and the other side's not.
Same thing with penises.
Okay, which side do you want? I need to grab the bulbous side. It's okay.
I like the moistness of it, but it's just too chocolatey for me.
I don't care about it. Oh god, I'm getting hit by undying sweetness with that cream.
Brian would eat those.
You want to give them to Brian? Why?
Don't you want them?
I just got hit by diabetes cream.
Fine. Brian it is.
I'm spoiling the fuck out of them. Flat soda to make it better. Okay, and the last thing on our list, unless we are eating something else to
No.
kill that.
No, but I do like that.
Mm-hmm.
And it does what I want it to do.
Okay, so these are creepy caramel ding dongs. I feel like a ding dong for buying it. These are from Hostess as well. I know I'm a sweet fanatic, but I've been noticing that like all these cakes have been getting sweeter and sweeter to the point where I feel like I'm gonna get diabetes just from eating it. You want to split one?
Yes.
It also has the cute little wrapping.
So why the fuck didn't the pumpkin spice have cute wrapping?
I don't know. I'm offended for the pumpkin. Oh god, that's so soft.
Well, you know what? Hostess never disappoints with the softness.
Oh, look inside. That is really orange.
Hostess never disappoints with the softness.
Oh god.
No, oh, hell no. Oh, hell no.
This has the texture of a pumpkin cream. Has cinnamon in it, and
You get hit with the caramel.
that is the drunkest, burntest caramel I've ever tasted.
It makes me want to find something else and eat it and get all this nasty flavor out of my mouth.
Okay. So, we're going to try the Beyond Jerky real quick. See if we can get that jerky, get that flavor out of our mouths, because that was...
Beyond Meat. I'm scared to ask
Beyond
what it is.
Basically veggies. It is mung bean and pea and stuff like that.
Is it going to kill me?
It's supposed to taste like beef.
I don't like beef.
Ugh. I don't think you want to try this.
I can smell the beef. I can smell it. And it's making my stomach curdle.
That does not taste like beef.
No, but it's making my stomach curl. You know how when you
It
smell...
doesn't taste bad, but it doesn't taste good.
But you know how if you don't eat meat or something for a long time, and like you get a whiff of the smell, sometimes it curdles your stomach?
What kind of smell is that?
That's kind of how I feel.
Okay, those are drugs. I'm making pizza.
Alright, we're going to go make pizza right now, and Haley's going to give me 2 Ziploc bags so I can do what I want. Bye!
Bye-bye.